how we can make roasted salmon, brown rice, and roasted veggies for dinner. At the same time we make today's dinner, we can also make lunch and dinner for tomorrow. I'm here now to show you how. Since we were already making dinner, we can take one more piece of salmon and place that in our bento box or Tupperware. Add the rice, and we can add our favorite vegetables on top. I'm going to let it sit for a minute until it cools down and then cover it. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to like and subscribe for more healthy dinner tips.